This is the kind of mess I want in my life, okay? भगवान जी सुन रहे हो आप? My first MacBook ever. Generic boring color. Namaste. This is my new boyfriend now. The permanent one. No, sky blue. You like the laptop otherwise? Okay. Just okay. सबको डिच करके मैंने तुमको चुना है. बोलती जा रही है, मुझसे भी ज़्यादा बोल रही है. So basically I got my name, but मैं थोड़ी टेढ़ी हूँ. So I thought, how can I add some mirchi or masala? Hi humans, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I got this really special package in my parcel. Sorry, I got this really special parcel in my package. Sorry, package in my parcel. मुझे क्या हो गया यार? So it's this. Oh, I won't show you the address. But it's this laptop, my first ever MacBook. I can't believe. So let's do some unboxing. By the way, this is a gift from my mom. It's like my graduation gift. So it's very special to me. She got me this MacBook because मेरा जो पुराना laptop है वो बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं कर रहा. So I don't know how to feel. Let's get to unboxing, shall we? I know for a lot of you guys it must be like, oh, what's so great in it? It's just a MacBook, right? But for me, मेरे लिए वो बहुत ही बड़ी चीज़ है because I could not afford that before. Okay, even now I can't afford it. My mom has gifted it to me और उसको भी like it's not easy for her, but उसने पैसे जोड़ के मेरे लिए as a gift खरीदा है. So it's really huge for me and I don't come from a privileged background, so it means a lot. और उसके साथ Apple has given me this free AirPods. Like, hold on a second. I always wanted AirPods, ठीक है? But again, why would I spend like 200 pounds on AirPods when I could just wear 50 रुपए का सस्ता माल from the market, like, you know? So I never thought I would get AirPods, but it came free on the MacBook. Let's just start unboxing. I just can't wait. So I just realized कि मैं एक जंगली बिल्ली जैसी लग रही हूँ अभी because I just woke up. I didn't even comb my hair. मैं ऐसे ही बैठ गई मतलब. I was like, my MacBook is here. I'm so unhinged right now. Like, what's wrong with me? Other than the fact that maybe another 20-30 people are going to watch this video. I mean, who cares? Oh, so something very interesting happened, okay? So I ran to my mom's room and I asked her, like, did you get the MacBook? And she's like, yeah. So when I came out of the room, she's like, do you see the window over there? There's a butterfly waiting for. I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, there's a yellow butterfly on the window and it has been there since early in the morning. And then I was like, oh, she's like, maybe it's a good sign, you know, your first MacBook came today, so it's like wishing you good luck. I was like, oh. And then as soon as I came in my room, it went away. My mom was like, oh my god, it went away. So it was just waiting for you the entire morning till you wake up, Maharani ki tarah, and come and see it. It just came, wished me good luck and went. I was like, sign from the universe. Ouch. There's this thing over here. You just need to pull it down, I guess. को ना पाऊं मैं keep forgetting the lyrics of Sayyara. मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है. Oh my god, बहुत ही अजीब एंगल है ये. Okay, so I think this angle is a little bit better because this is the main star of the video, not me this time. This feels so good. And this is how the laptop should look like from the side. I don't know उन लोगों ने इतना अजीब सा side view क्यों दिया है. They should have just given the back of the laptop, right? Like, what is this view? Like, ये क्या है भाई साहब? Never mind. Like, are they trying to show how patla this is? Like, are they trying to body shame me or something? Like, just thank God for this, you know. I don't know how to explain this, but मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा nervous feel हो रहा है to even open this, you know. Like, I remember some years back I would tell my mom that I want a laptop and I wish I could have an Apple laptop, but it was never something in our budget. I couldn't afford this. I couldn't get it. कोई था नहीं जो मुझे ऐसे gift भी करे. So, I mean, I can never pay back what my mom has done for me, and I got the one with. You can see the details. So it's a 256 GB MacBook Air in the color sky blue and it's 13 inch. Okay, so you get 13 inch and you get 15 inch. I went for 13 inch because I wanted a smaller and a more, you know, compact one. I can just slip it in my bag and take it wherever I want. I'm so excited. The satisfaction of pulling this trip. Wow. Satisfaction 2.0. The big reveal. Oh my god. It's so cold. मतलब हाथ लगाने से इतना ठंडा ठंडा महसूस होता है यार. So first we're going to go through the less exciting things in the box. Okay. So this is some chitti from Apple. Let's see what love letter उन लोगों ने मुझे भेजा है. Apple को पैसे देके उन लोगों ने एटलीस्ट कोई अच्छी सी लव लेटर तो भेजी होगी मेरे लिए. So let's see what's in there. Oh, MacBook Air. I think this is some guide to start the laptop. And these are all the precautions that I'm not going to read. But you can read if you want to. Alright, that's it. See, if you see there is some hard thing over here. तो मुझे लगा कि I think you need to pull this up, but that's just it. इस चिट्टी के लिए they put something so hard over here. I don't understand what is the purpose of this. Like ये क्या है भाई? Apple वालों, what's the purpose? अमीर वालों के तो अलग ही शौक होते हैं यार. I don't know. Anyways, moving on. जो मुझे love letter मिलने की उम्मीद थी वो भी डूब गई अभी. The smell of money. Oh my god, I think this is the cable and I don't understand what kind of cable is this. Probably this goes in and this goes pata nahi kahan. Like I don't know. I don't know how this works. I have no freaking clue. And then the next thing is the adapter, I guess. Oh, what's this? Like ये इतना अजीब क्यों दिखता है यार? बहुत अलग adapter है. Like I've never seen this kind of an adapter. You know, I am like those kids, you know, जो आप पहली बार जो करीब के बच्चे नहीं होते, then you पहली बार आप उसको कहीं मॉल में लेके जाओ, like oh my god, wow, everything so pretty. That's literally me right now. I'm like ये क्या है भाई? Where do I put this thing? Like next thing is this. ये क्या है? What is this? I don't understand a single thing that's happening right now. What is the purpose of this silver thingy and what is this? I think this should go in here. And then where does this go? That's the case. तो फिर ये किस चीज़ के लिए? Like I don't get it. Or does this thing go here? Or इसके अंदर भी कुछ है क्या? Hello, is anyone there? I need to keep pausing the video because suddenly धूप आती है, फिर चली जाती है, फिर आती है, फिर चली जाती है. ASMR. Such a beautiful color. Oh my god. अरे यार, my mom just cut my hair yesterday, हाँ, like the front और पता नहीं क्या. Like it looks nice, but मुझसे अपने बाल handle ही नहीं होते. Oh, it's friendship day today. Oh, I'll reply later. This is priority. The apple is so cute. It's like it's like I took a bite of it. This is mine. This is my baby now. Even though I look so funny and terrible right now, but I don't care. Like this is the moment. Literally speechless. मैं बोल ही नहीं पा रही हूँ, you know. Thank you, Mama Bear. And the color is so pretty. Like just look at that. It's basically sky blue. So my grandma wanted me to go for black because she says black goes with everything. But I'm always like, I need colors, okay? Like colors other than black. I have a lot of black stuff already. Did you hear that? Did you hear the music it played? Bonjour. Hello. What's that? Hola. Ciao. ये पता नहीं क्या है. Merhaba. ये भी पता नहीं क्या है. ये भी पता नहीं क्या है. Hedge. Shin Chao. Kresk. Hey. ये तो उल्टी लैंग्वेज है. सालियो. तो ये ऐसे ही चलता रहता है क्या? Like अब now what should I do? But अभी तो मेरा पेशेंस खत्म हो गया है. Like what? Namaste. Damn. Oh, finally. So I need to choose the
To
language.
use British English as the main language, press the return key.
ये बोलता भी है भाई साहब. See,
कलर चाहिए सिल्वर है सन
blue it is.
लाइट ब्लू सिल्वर
You like? Wanted black, no? Approved.
Voiceover may be restricted on some pages to enable practicing the gesture taught.
Performing any voiceover command requires pressing the voiceover modifier key. That's lock key. Now, practice pressing the control option space key together to move to the next page.
Pressing Control Option Space button. Group.
I'm so lost.
Fire. The voiceover this tutorial. You'll learn a new voiceover command. The next step.
पागल
Press
हो गई है
Control
क्या?
Option right arrow now
बोलती
to
जा रही है,
navigate to the
बोलती जा रही
first
है, मुझसे
step.
भी ज़्यादा बोल रही है. So this is going to take a while for me to figure out. तब तक let's unbox the AirPods. There's a thing over here, I guess. You just have to pull it down. Wow, I'm so strong. The box looks like something like this under. Ooh, that's cute. The specifications: AirPods, CN. Noise, active noise cancellation, ANC wale, yeah. And these are for free. Like, what's wrong with that? They have this thing that you need to pull off, which gives me so much satisfaction. Oh, another love letter from Apple. Let's see what's in it. There are some interesting pictures here. I think this is the whole setup कि आपको कैसे यूज़ करना है and all of that बकवास, which I will obviously not read because I think I'm very smart और over smart बन के मैं बहुत चीज़ें गलत भी करती हूँ. क्या बैटरीज चार्जिंग, ये क्या मतलब क्या बेचते हो यार एप्पल. मतलब कुछ स्वीट सा नोट भी डाल ही देते हैं. हाँ, सबको डिश करके मैंने तुमको छूना है and you just send me some boring stuff, like very bad. बातों में तेरी मैं It's a cute packaging.
Cotton bottle level.
How? See
Yeah,
this?
I'm putting
These are the
possible.
AirPods which are coming. They're so small. You like the laptop otherwise?
Okay.
Just okay?
Silver है स्तनो.
It looks like a hot cross bun, you know, like a cross जैसे उन लोगों ने किया है, like this. Wait a minute. That I forgot to mention is that along with the free AirPods, you also have an option to get an engraving on it for free. And guess what I got? Ready for the surprise? Tantana! You see that? यार focus नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं. I'll show it to you properly, but it basically says Jewel Decor Star, like DCO and a star. वो मेरा idea था, ठीक है? So cute. देखो यार मैं थोड़ी टेढ़ी हूँ, ठीक है. So I just don't like the generic things, okay. So I could have just got my name like Jewel Decor Star, like my proper name, but I was like, let me add some spice to it because it's me and I need something with a twist. I deserve an award for coming up with it. Oh, cute. Let's open it now. Oh, it made a sound. इसको निकालते कैसे हैं यार? Oh, you have the orange light come on. What does that mean? I can just eat it up. Like, it's so, you know, okay, it's so cute. Like, do you see what I mean? I just feel like मैं पागल हो गई हूँ. So yeah, cutie pies, Poke Bears. That's it for the video. It was such an emotional thing for me. Like, I know अभी visible नहीं है मेरे चेहरे पे because there's so much to process. It's like two things that I've always dreamt of to have and I never thought I will have them one day. So grateful. Thank you, Bhagwan ji. Oh my god, it's here. Wow, the sun is sunning. But it was literally so dull right now और अचानक से there's so much धूप and there's धूप over here as well. Like, I'm so happy. ऊपर से मैंने ये पूरी वीडियो एक भूतनी जैसे शक्ल लेके बनाई है एंड आई एम सो अशेम्ड टू अपलोड इट. बट क्या करूँ यार, अभी धूप आई है, अभी आई एम इन अ मूड ऑफ ड्रेसिंग अप. बट Me and my Mac. This is my new boyfriend now, the permanent one. Ooh, it's literally reflecting the sky. It's like मेरा room एक completely messy situation में हो गया है. Like look at the state of the room. But it's a beautiful mess. This is the kind of mess I want in my life. Okay, भगवान जी सुन रहे हो आप? हाँ? So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. So first we're gonna return key क्या होता है? Okay, this is going. So there's some tape over here. Focus. You know, it's like two things that I've always dreamt of. So like आप कुछ भी मतलब लिखवा के पूछ सकते हो कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ.